What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Start Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So it was a pretty good month for passive income. And you saw what I did with my YieldMax ETFs. I got rid of them. Can I rebuy them? Maybe. I mean, but right now, I know with the recent news with uh, Trump, with cryptocurrency, I know my Cardano's doing really well, my Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin. But still, I want to look at MSTY a little bit. I want to see how it does in a few months. I mean, I made a profit, sold it for a profit, but gave me good income. I mean, it was really nice. I'm not going to say anything that's bad, but when it's up, it's up. I mean, it's one thing if I buy some, reinvest it, and then when the market gets better, then just take the passive income. It's a good headache to have, but right now I'm out with the YieldMax ETFs. It's probably going to be, I have to really think about it. And I'm going to discuss a few things. I'm going to look into a few things and see what the best option is. Because I do think YieldMax could have an opportunity for some serious, powerful passive income. I mean, Mike and Jay are sharp, very sharp. And, but the thing is, with this passive income, I made some changes. You saw that. With the Curve ETFs, I added some of them. And I'm going to be adding some other stuff that I'll be revealing to you. But this was a very good month for passive income. I really can't complain. So I'm going to show you what I did. I'm going to show you what some plans are. Again, my goal is to get $30,000 on here. It will happen. Okay. I'm already on pace to probably get to $30,000 total of passive income, and very excited. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button, and my videos are free for you, so make sure you subscribe after you see this comment I just make. Subscribe for free videos. And let's check out my passive income right now. All right. We're going to start with February 3rd. Darden Restaurants made 606. American Tower, I made 1506. Then UVV, I made 143. Lowe's, I made 251. February 5th. February 7th, YMAX, 773. February 7th, UDTE, I made 1544. And then you have that dividend deduction with XDTE of 555. RoundHill Small Cap ODTE Covered Call ETF 987 I made. YBTC 719. YMAX I made 24.79. BITO 92 cents. CONY 89 cents plus 41.87. BITO, the ProShares Bitcoin ETF 33.73. YMAG 521 on February 7th. XDTE 1534. MSTY gave me a very nice distribution of 661.06. RDTE gave me 896. Citizens Financial Group gave me 2546. AbbVie gave me 745. And an Henry gave me 2436. SQY, the YieldMax SQ Option Income Strategy ETF, 1928. XDTE on the 14th of February, 1282. One Oak, 1224. Morgan Stanley got me 673. YBTC, the RoundHill, 511. YMAX got me 1917. MSTY got that extra 170 with it. YMAG, I got 354. QDTE, 1675. EPD, 3128. SM Midstream LP class, 1458. And I got to worry about those K1s. MPLX, 2582. Kinder Morgan, 122. Omega Healthcare Investors, 409. Procter & Gamble, 437. Hormel Foods, 867. Energy Transfer 98 plus 144. One Main Holdings 4274. YBTC, the RoundHill Bitcoin Covered Call Strategy ETF 491. XDTE 1208. Then the 21st, 1644 with QDTE and RDTE 716. YMAG 952. TSLY 2498. YMAX 2362, the Bank of Montreal 102. In the negative, obviously, because it's a Canadian stock, plus 682. So 682 minus 102. SEPI, I got 71 cents. That's new one. AIPI 7709. Conagra Brands 918. NFLP, just got in them 109.45. Peppy, I got $27. Starbucks, $9.80. Citigroup, I did sell them, $4.57. NVDY, $661.69. XDTE, $11.15. YBTC, the RoundHill Bitcoin Covered Call Strategy ETF, $5.49. Blue Owl Capital Corp, $3.89. YETH, $51.30. UDTE, $17.32. So let me just sum this up. Things get okay with YMAX, or I'm sorry, not YMAX, but MSTY, NVDY, maybe some stability. It looks maybe if there's some appearance of an explosion of growth. Remember, I sold them both for a profit. I made a lot of money with them. So that was a good thing. It did distribute some very good passive income. I rebuy them. I mean, if things look good before they start dropping, sure. Buy, sell for profit. That's fine. I did it before. I'll do it again if I have to. But right now, look, if Curve Invest has an individual one with NVIDIA and MicroStrategy, whew, I'm going in with those ones, to be honest with you. There's a little bit more stability. Coinbase, a little bit more stability. So let me show you how much I made. It wasn't a bad month. It was $2,235.46 that I made. Again, if I get NFLP and those guys and they start doing pretty well and consistent, they'll probably overtop, YieldMax ones, but the YieldMax may have some tricks up their sleeves with keeping some net asset value, preventing the erosion. I'm going to look into them a little bit more and study them. But I feel really good with the curve yield premiums. So my estimated income right now is, still in the 1500s. I can get back to 2000 if I invest and put it in there. So I can start investing these ETFs. Not a problem at all. My average monthly income now is $1,706.60. But again, I'm making new additions. There's going to be changes still. So I'm not too worried long term because I'm looking for a little bit of stability of passive income. And I'm going to be buying some of the high yield dividend stocks and dividend growth stocks. So, that total income is going to be jumping up. So, but again, I have a goal of earning consistent $2,000 to $4,000 a month on monthly dividends. So that's one thing that I'm now focusing on. Instead of $1,000, $3,000, I'm looking at $2,000 to $4,000. That's actually what I want to do. And now I'm looking at maybe trying to get to long-term goal 6,000 maybe of my quarterly dividends. And if I have a few strategies going on, I think that's possible. So we'll see. Now let's jump to E-Trade. On E-Trade now, I have 374 shares of BITO. My estimated income is now $7,260.49. Not guaranteed, of course. But hey, that recent announcement, Bitcoin, and it jumping up, I'm hoping BITO is up there because you know what? I feel a lot better with BITO with that income as compared to the inconsistency of MSTY, and when the net asset value drops significantly, or NVDY, when the net asset value drops significantly, I can't rely on that. All right. So here's my estimated income, 7,200. Here's my estimated income on here, $7,260.49. The good thing is I have BITO, and I have 374 shares now of BITO. YBIT, YBTC, you can see a little bit of a decrease in price per share, a little bit of net asset value erosion with the synthetic covered calls, and BITO seems to be a little bit better long-term wise. Now, it's not going to jump up in price per share, but it just looks better long-term wise. Hopefully that price jumps up. And a lot of you guys that are long in MSTY, hopefully that price jumps up too, because they're starting to drop and they're starting to be in damage control. So we'll see with this announcement that Trump made, how much MSTY will jump up in price per share and how much MSTR will jump up in price per share and MSTY, because there's a strong correlation with there. So I made really good money again with MSTY, but right now we have some things that we got to look at and reevaluate. But yes, I plan on getting to $30,000 and being my income that I made as a exercise specialist / exercise physiologist. I'm already on pace to beating that. That was my goal for this year. But let me show you my income that I made for this month. All right, so on E-Trade, it wasn't a bad month. Remember, I sold some things, and hopefully I'll get pretty well into BITO and earn some good income with that. So 9201 with CONY, Main Street Capital 3436, Realty Income 4884. Agree Realty Corp, I got 1 cent, an amazing 1 cent. EPR Properties 4077 and Gladstone Investment Corp 1974. So this was a pretty good month for passive income, and I really can't complain what I earn. My total was $2,471.19. I'm very excited to start loading up this portfolio on M1 Finance because they have some tricks up their sleeve that might be very unique and might be the biggest game changer of M1 Finance if they implement this. Right now, they're worrying about tax season, but they can knock that out and have certain pies distribute passive income into other pies. I will be on fire because I'm going to be just buying the monthly dividend ETFs, and if I decide to buy, monthly dividend stocks too, to throw in high yielders, and then the high yielders to throw into the dividend growth stock. So it's going to be a ongoing, going to be like a hamster on the wheel, and it's going to be a chain reaction, one affecting the other, and I will be rolling. So I can't wait because I have a certain goal that I just kicked up a notch. I'm very excited because that's what I'm going to be doing with these monthly option income ETFs. Like I said before, if MSTY and NVDY get decent, or if the YieldMax has some tricks up their sleeves, which I'm sure they will, this would be pretty exciting. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Again, $235.73 on E-Trade. M1 Finance, $2,235.46. A combination of those two, $2,471.19. I'm not even including what's going on in Fundrise. We'll have to go over Fundrise for a little bit. You guys take care and have a good one. I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. Go to a financial advisor for financial advice. Go to a tax advisor for tax advice. When it comes to investing, you can lose money. So be aware with your investments. You do your due diligence, go to a financial advisor, have them handle it. Everything I do is for entertainment purposes only. Take care and have a good one.